This is an unboxing video for the Pentair SuperFlo variable speed pump. If you're getting one of these or thinking about getting one of these and you just want to know, what's all included in the box, this should give you a good idea what you're looking at. Okay, so looking in, it's all pretty complete already. Here we have the unions that they include for you. More on that in a second. Set those aside for now. Here we go. Safety tips, installation instructions. Definitely give this stuff a read through. If you're new to owning a variable speed pump, there's going to be a lot of good information for you in here, and you definitely want to take the time to go through this. So that's it. Now let's take a look at this pump here. If you're new to working on swimming pool equipment, then that might have looked a little bit hard to get off, forceful, and it is, and that's why most swimming pool technicians would carry a rubber mallet for just something like that, or you can hit it with your hands, obviously. Okay, so O-ring in there, it's very important, you don't want to lose that. Strainer basket, also very important, don't lose it, don't break it, use it all the time, clean it all the time. Interface is over here, right down there. End of my finger is the bonding lug for the equip potential bonding. There we go. Data connection port. Take a look at these unions really quick here. So you don't have to use the stuff that they give to you. I mean, in theory, you could just use standard PVC plumbing fittings, an 1.5" male adapter, like this guy here. You could use that, I mean, with a thread sealant, obviously, but it's not ideal because let's say something happens where this starts to leak and now you've got a rigid plumb system here. You can't tighten this or fix that leak without cutting into the system. So these aren't really ideal. And that's why they give you something like this, because they're kind of planning ahead for that you're going to periodically need to get into the system. Make sure that O-ring is seated nicely there. And that's it, you're ready to plumb in here. And that's an 1.5" slip connection there. And of course, they give you 2 of these. There you go. Winterization ports, front and back here. That's how you would drain this for the winter. Looks pretty good. So that's what you're going to get with the new Pentair variable speed pump, the SuperFlo variable speed pump. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, and you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.